Eh, kasabayan mo nung araw si Barbie Fortesa, no? Don't you feel na you're underrated? Kasi dapat sa akin napunta yung project na yan ni Barbie, mas bagay sa akin. Anong lesson sa love ang talagang ina-apply mo, yung natutunan mo through the years?
Ayoko sa artista.
Punta naman tayo sa heart. Ano, may occupant ba? Ready for occupancy or under renovation ang puso?
Meron. Pero ano siya?
May deadline ka ba na at this age, dapat kasal na ako, may anak na ako?
May mga bagay na...
It's not really, you know, some days are not for getting ahead, some days are for enjoying where we are. Hello mga kalodal, our very special guest today is Sunshine in human form, Miss Bea Binene. Welcome to Dollywood!
Thank you, Tita, for having me. Hello po mga kadaldals.
Yes, and welcome also to my alma mater. Nandito tayo sa University Hotel ng UP Diliman. Thank you for
Hindi ko nga po alam na merong
us.
Ganito dito sa UP. Ang
diba?
ganda.
An oasis sa gitna ng concrete jungle. Before we talk about your movie, no, don't you feel na parang you're underrated? Kasi parang sa tingin ko, dapat talagang may big break ka pang padating kasi you're really more than qualified.
Ay, thank you, Tita. Alam niyo po, ano lang ako, parang now, I feel very blessed. Parang sa akin, it's not naman nagiging tamad ka na or nagiging complacent ka na in life. It's just, I learned to be contented. Right now, I started 2004. And that's straight, ha? Nag-stop lang po ako nung pandemic. And so, to have a career na ganito katagal, for me, it's really an achievement and it's a blessing no until now. Kasi when I transferred to Viva, na nandyan pa rin, marami pa rin nagtitiwala, yung mga fans nandyan pa rin. Masaya na po ako doon. So, kapag may naririnig ako or nakakabasa ako ng mga articles like yung mga underrated, syempre, it makes me kilig, ganyan, nakakatuwa. Hindi ko siya nilalagay sa utak ko kasi parang, okay, it's nice that they see me as someone like that. Kumbaga na kay Lord naman kung ano yung gusto niyang plano sa life mo eh. Diba?
Saka okay yung underrated kasi kaysa overrated.
Totoo
diba?
po.
You're in good company kasi si Steph Curry, di ba? Ating favorite NBA player, underrated. Yun yung kanyang talagang identified sa kanya. Eh, kasabayan mo nung araw, paano namang when you were still with GMA, si Barbie Fortesa, no? Do you follow her career path or you're carving your own? Or parang you keep track kung anong ginagawa ni Barbie or happy ka for her? Or do you feel minsan na, naku, dapat sa akin napunta yung project na yan ni Barbie, mas bagay sa akin, may mga ganun bang moments?
Nung sa GMA pa lang kami, Tita, syempre, kahit naman ayaw namin ni Barbie, parang hindi naman maiiwasan that we get compared to each other.
Kasi magkamukha kayo.
Kahit nung nasa GMA pa lang po, Tita, ina-explain ng management yung career path na tatahakin mo, ganyan. And ever since, sinasabi na hindi kami magkapareho ng, kumbaga, landas ni Barbie. Kasi magkaiba kami ng, kumbaga, ng projects, ng image and all. So, para sa akin, Barbie and I are really good friends. Until now, magkausap kami, ganyan.
So, walang professional rivalry o inggitan?
Wala po. Tsaka sinasabi ko sa kanya, sobrang proud ako sa kanya. She deserves everything naman. Lahat ng mga blessing ko sa kanya, di ba? Deserve niya yun. Kaya when you ask, do I still keep track? Not keep track because of something negative, but of course, when you're friends with someone, you check her life. Kumusta na ba tong kaibigan ko? Ano nangyari sa buhay nito? So, ganun, but not in a negative way.
Babalik tayo sa underrated kasi minsan, it's not really, some days are not for getting ahead, some days are for enjoying where we are, diba? Mapunta tayo sa movie mo, Post House.
Yes, Post House.
You work with Mikael and
Nicholas, Direk Nicholas
the brilliant Red brothers. What was it like?
You know, Tita, this is my second time working with them. Kasi the first one was Nocturno. So, Direk Mick directed it, and then si Direk Nikos yung nag-edit. Pero most of the projects and the films, si Direk Mick naman, si Direk Nikos yung nag-edit eh. So, syempre, nung sinabi sa akin nung Viva, no, they want to work with me again. Parang, oh, really? So, parang I feel like that's something good. Diba? The fact that they want to work with you again. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nadala.
Hindi ka pasaway.
Opo, ibig sabihin, nagustuhan nila yung performance ko, okay sila na makatrabaho ko ulit.
What did you learn from them?
Na malaking bagay po yung passion when you work on something. Because kapag nasa set ka nila, yung team nila, you will feel the passion that
it will rub off on you. Nakakahawa.
Yes. Laking bagay ng efficiency. It's important that you know what you want. Kunyari, sa shots, anong mga...
Walang nasasayang.
Kasi para walang sayang, mas magaan yung life, mas makakapag-prepare ka ng maayos doon sa mga shots na kailangan mo kasi mas mapagtutuunan mo yung pansin.
Tell us about your role in your movie, kahit briefly.
Okay, I play the role of Rhea. Anak po ako ni Sid Lucero. We come from a very film-oriented family. My lola sa director director, my dad's an editor.
Cinephiles kayo.
Yes. So, kumbaga, si Rhea, gusto niyang makilala sa industriya. At kumbaga, sa field na to, not because of her last name or not because of her family, but because of her skills.
Her own merits.
So, parang nag-OJT siya somehow sa dad niya. And then, meron silang mahahanap na film reels. Like the reels, yung...
nung lumang panahon.
Na connected siya sa past ng tatay niya. They will restore that reel, and then that reel pala, yun yung parang may
hiwaga.
May hiwaga. That greatly affected her father. Eventually, affect her as well. So yun, parang i-deal nila yung pag-restore.
So parang tipong yung past haunting the present.
Something like that. Yung film, tita, it's like a film within a film. Kaya nga po sabi ko, ang ganda if kunwari sa mga younger ones na mapanood nila to kasi makikita nila kung paano pa rin ginagawa or kung ano yung film reel, ano yung moviola, ano yung
kasi wala silang clueless sila eh.
Diba, tita? And then at the same time, yung mga young at heart, when they watch it, they'll get to reminisce na, ganyan nga yun. Kapag nanonood kami sa sinihan or paggawa talaga ng pelikula dati, ganyan talaga yun.
So lahat makaka-relate.
Lahat makaka-relate. Malaking importansya na laging nandyan si mama.
Oo, yung mom mo talaga. Hindi naman stage mom.
Hindi naman, pero she's very supportive. And talagang siya yung guidance counselor. Parang siya, a moral compass talaga.
Nakakatuwa nga. I mean, everywhere you go, kahit may dates ka, kasama mo siya or part. Kumbaga siya na talagang +1 mo.
Opo, always. Kapag nga tita, kunyari, may ibang tao na, "Oy, hello, Bea," ganyan. Bago ako kumustahin, di ba minsan, "Oy, Bea, kumusta?" Hindi, "Oy, Bea, si mama mo." Laging yun yung
kumbaga,
susunod bago ako kumustahin.
Hindi kayo package deal.
1+1 talaga.
Pero never ka naman na-annoy na, naku na dyan si mami. Parang hinahanap mo talaga.
Not anymore. Before, when I was younger, syempre may
rebelde
times na...
ka.
Not rebelde. Hindi po, tita. Pero syempre may times na kapag mas bata ka, may isip mo, yung mga kasama mo, makakompare mo yung sarili mo. When I grew up, I realized, malaking bagay po talaga na nandyan si mama.
So, malaking bagay kaya ka naka-recover because of her?
Not recover, tita eh. Everything and everything. Malaking bagay po because of her.
Pero was that really a traumatizing time in your life?
Let's not talk about that na,
Kasi puro positive na dapat.
Puro positive na
So, papunta naman tayo sa heart. May occupant ba? Ready for occupancy or under renovation ang puso?
Meron. May mga bagay na if you really treasure something, someone is very special to you and something is very important to you, you protect it from the unnecessary noise, diba?
Very understanding and supportive naman siya. Siya behind the scenes. And anong lesson sa love ang talagang ina-apply mo? Yung natutunan mo through the years?
Love is a decision. Hindi lang siya parang emotion na kilig-kilig. It's a choice. It's a decision. When you commit to it not because happy ka lang, but when you accept it, you accept also the not very colorful ones. Diba? Kasi it's not always rainbows and butterflies.
Hindi mang Disneyland.
Opo, hindi siya parang fairy tale. Hindi siya rainbows and butterflies. As long as you know yourself, you know your partner, it will be a roller coaster ride because it's not rainbows and butterflies. Yun.
May marriage plans na ba kayo?
Lahat naman tayo, tita, merong pangarap na ganyan. In God's perfect time.
Pero sa tingin mo, talagang nahanap mo na the one siya na?
Sana!
Ang lucky naman niya. Sana ma-meet namin. So, he's not from showbiz?
No.
Na ano ka ba? Ayaw mong tiga-showbiz talaga? Paano pag may pumaporma sa'yo tiga-showbiz? How do you stay away from temptation? Kasi nga, you're taken.
Ako kasi, bilang dito na ako lumaki sa industriya, ayoko sa artista.
Parang nakakaumay na, dito na yung work ko, pati love life ko, dito pa rin.
So, kapag may ganun, parang medyo...
Friend zone na agad.
Opo.
Nagka-boyfriend ka artista, di ba?
Before.
Si Jake, no?
Before.
Pero you're in good terms now.
Civil.
You're friends also with the girlfriend, si Ina.
Wala namang time na nagkatrabaho kami, nagkasama kami. Parang minsan nagkasalubong lang, nagkatagpo sa isang photoshoot, gano'n. So
pero
parang, hi, hello.
It wasn't a bad breakup naman with Jake Vargas? Or bata pa
nung
kayo
bata ka,
noon?
tita, parang hindi mo pa naman alam konsepto ng good and bad breakup yata nung time na yun. Pero when you mature, di
So,
ba?
advice mo sa mga kapwa mo artista, better, mas tahimik pag non-showbiz ang boyfriend kasi tiga-showbiz or case-to-case
Personal
pa rin?
preference, tita. Saka depende sa tao.
What made you fall for your boyfriend? Anong mga traits
Huwag na
niya?
natin pag-usapan yung tita.
Talagang sobrang ingat na ingat ka. Pero that's unusual, no? Na you work in showbiz na napapangalagaan mo. I salute you for that.
Kasi yun nga po, you protect it from unnecessary noise, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan. I've been here for the longest time.
The best sign of a relationship is no sign of it in social media.
Opo,
I
and
believe
it doesn't mean naman na porket wala sa social media, parang hindi na rin importante sa buhay mo. Parang.
Ay, may mga sa social media, ano lang yun, parang it's not the real thing, di ba? parang pang ano lang for show, diba? Ano namang mistake sa love ang never mo nagagawin?
Parang you will put it out there na maging relevant.
Maging carnival.
Opo, parang maging carnival. Kasi syempre hindi naman, yun nga, ang importante what's going on between the two of you, what's going on sa, like, in your private circle. And then yun yung importante.
And what are you most proud of at this point?
I'm proud of that I'm able to stay in the business, in the industry for a long time. Kumbaga, hindi ko hinayaan na makalimutan ko yung sarili ko.
You didn't lose yourself.
Yes, it's important that you don't lose yourself. Kasi in the industry, tita, maraming mga temptations, maraming mga influence na hindi ka masyadong sure if it's a good influence or a bad influence. Yun, ako...
Kailangan salain talaga.
Opo, I'm proud na, kumbaga, I didn't forget myself. And
nandiyan parati si mami nakabantay, walang lalapit na BI.
Yeah, totoo po. I've always chose myself.
You'll always choose yourself. May mga dream roles ka ba gagawin? Mga parang projects? Sa tingin mo, ito na, made na ako pag nagawa ko tong...
Dream ko talaga, tita. Gusto ko po kasi maging news anchor.
Really?
Yes.
More than an actress?
Yes.
Paano ka napunta sa acting instead of newscasting?
In GMA before, I used to do a magazine show sa News and Public Affairs. So right before I went to acting...
Dapat palit tayo ng ano, kasi di mo ako marunong mag-acting.
So right before I did teleseries, nag-ano ako, magazine show talaga. Kumbaga, trained ng public affairs, ng News and Public Affairs.
Do you plan to pursue that pa rin?
If given a chance, I'd very much, very willing
Sinong
talaga po.
favorite news anchor?
Si Tita Mel.
Mel
Tita Mel Tiangco. And I've also worked with Miss Vicky Morales for a long time. And sila yung nilolook up ko, sila Tito Arnold.
So updated ka sa mga news, you're really into national issues?
A bit. I'd want to say na syempre, gusto ko, alam ko pa rin yung nangyayari sa paligid-ligid, di ba po?
So you're really open kung kanino ka tang politiko?
In terms of like that, I've always been open kung sino yung mga sinusupport ko po. Kumbaga, di ba yung iba, kung sino lang kunin ka, may TF, ganyan. Ako, hindi. As in,
prinsipyo.
Inaano po. Proud ako doon. Kasi sinasabi ko, para sa kinabukasan natin yun eh. Oo, may sweldo ka ngayon.
Alam ko kinabukasan na anak ko.
Pwede rin, tita. And the future, di ba?
How old are you na ba?
Turning 28.
May deadline ka ba na at this age, dapat kasal na ako, may anak na ako?
Dati po. Ngayon po, yun yung age na yun eh. So, bahala na si Lord.
So
Sabi ko nga, in God's perfect time.
You're not in a hurry.
In God, kasi lahat naman, kahit ganong madali mo ngayon, tita, kung hindi yun yung plano ni Lord, wala naman tayong magagawa doon.
Pabalik tayo sa Post House. What was your takeaway from your character, Rhea? What did you learn from her?
From Post House, I learned that, yun nga po, there are things na mga nangyari sa past. Kasi it will always haunt you, so it's nice and it's good that you deal with it.
So yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, you dealt with it na kaya ayaw mo na pag-usapan nyo?
Kumbaga, it's a closed book. Parang it's not relevant naman na sa life natin ngayon.
Kumbaga, another lifetime na yun. Invite everyone to Post House.
Yes. Mga kadaldals, sana po panoorin ninyo ang Post House. Sa August 20 na po yan sa mga sinehan nationwide. Of course, brought to you by Viva Films and Evolve Studios. Sa direksyon ni Direk Nicolas Red. From the makers of Lilim, Deleter, and Nocturno na sina Direk Nicolas
mga award-winning lahat. And of course, before I say thank you to you, mag-thank you tayo dito sa University Hotel, kay Patrick Gregorio and kay Miss Wendy sa pag-asikaso. Thank you. Dalo kayo dito pag gusto niyo mag-bonding with a family or talagang mag-chill lang dito sa University Hotel, inside my alma mater, UP Diliman. Thank you so much.
Meron pa last
And of course,
malapit na po ang Golden Scenery of Tomorrow sa Viva One. Ang book 5 ng University Series ni
si Wilbert ang pair mo dito.
Opo, si
paano kung hypothetical lang, kung pumorma sa'yo si Wilbert, Ross, taken ka na.
Yun nga, tita, sinasabi ko, dapat sa simula pa lang, lalagyan mo na ng line. Ilagi ko pong sinasabi, gusto natin masaya yung career natin. Pero syempre, gusto rin natin na masaya yung personal life natin, di ba? So hanggat clear ang lahat, clear na bago pa magsimula po.
So abangan nila yan, yung pairing nyo ni Wilbert Ross sa next series ng book, di ba?
Yes po.
Book 5 na.
Panoorin nyo po yun. At syempre, Totoy Bato sa TV5, Mondays to Fridays, 7:15.
At ito, ang iyong beauty secret.
Yes, ang Easy Vit. Lagi ko titang pinupost.
Try ko yan, kaya ganun ka glowing.
Yes, please. Ano siya po? Multivitamins plus selenium. So, meron siyang vitamins A, C, and E plus selenium from Delex Pharma. Meron na siya, tita, sa mga Mercury Drug and MedExpress branches nationwide at meron din online sa Shopee, Lazada, at TikTok shops.
Kita-kita naman ang effect.
Ng Delex. So, try nyo rin po.
Thank
tita, please,
you.
bigay niyo po
ikaw
kay
pa nabigay sa akin ng
Tita,
gift.
patry mo rin kay IC.
Thank you. Thank you mga kadaldal. At syempre, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, dali na. Maging kadaldal na kayo soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!